Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn your basic text, a standard layout for the hero image, to the new sections like this. We've got the feature bar with custom icons, a floating 360-degree badge overlaying the product to build instant visual interest, and a beautifully styled premium call to action button that actually makes you want to click. The Dawn layout just shows the product, but the Smind layout actually sells it. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through the exact step-by-step process of how to add and customize it to your Shopify store. Now let's get started. We'll be using the Smind section app, which features a massive library of templates to help you customize any page on your store. Just search for Image Hero in the categories to see all the available layouts. You can pick any style you like, but for this demo, I'm using Hero Image 6.2. Since I've already installed it, I'll just click Customize to open it up. First up, we need to add the newly installed section to your page. Click on Add Section, and you can just type Hero to quickly find the Hero Image 6.2, and click on it to insert the layout directly into your store. Now for the next step, where we will configure the basic layout, upload your media, and set the hero height. First, make sure that the Display On setting is set to All Devices. Then look under the Media settings and click to upload your main product image for the desktop view. Right below that setting, you will want to select a tailored image for the mobile image. After adding your image for mobile, you should customize the hero height to be Fit Screen. This specific setting forces the hero image to fully expand and fill 100% of the visible screen height. Now look at the scroll down button. This is a small interactive icon that sits at the very bottom of your hero image, and its purpose is to guide users to the next part of the page. But in the video, we don't actually need to customize anything from it, so you can safely leave it exactly as it is. Next, you can adjust our content padding and container style. Go ahead and scroll down to the padding settings. We will start by customizing the content padding. Adjust the left-right padding and the top-bottom padding specifically for your desktop view. Once you have done that, toggle over to do the exact same thing for the mobile view so the spacing looks great on all screens. Next, take a look at the content container style. Here, you want to focus on tweaking the border thickness and the corner radius to either soften or sharpen the container edges, making sure to set your preferences for both desktop and mobile views. So we just need to set the section padding. Right below your container settings, take a moment to adjust the overall section padding. This controls the breathing room around the entire hero section on your web page, giving it a clean look. After that, we have to focus on customizing the interactive circular text elements. In the left sidebar, click on the circular text block. Go ahead and change your text and then adjust the font size and color to match your design. Please make sure to adjust the padding around this text for both desktop and mobile views. After you finish adding a custom center image or an icon, you need to customize the image size within the container. You will also need to adjust the overall circular size by setting the perfect dimensions for both your desktop and mobile options. Then we need to adjust the circular background and its positioning to refine its appearance. Adjust the circular background settings by focusing on both the outer and inner thickness, tweaking the thickness color, and adding a shadow for depth. Then change the background color and adjust the background opacity to get your desired level of transparency. Finally, use the positioning controls to place this badge perfectly. Be sure you are adjusting the horizontal and vertical coordinates for both desktop and mobile. Moving on the next block, we're going to build your product features list. Click on the features list block over in the sidebar. Upload a custom icon for your features and type out a brief description for each one. If you decide that you want to add more icons to your list, you can simply enable the options for feature 4 and feature 5. After updating your content, customize whether you want to actually show the features list on mobile devices or keep it hidden completely. Next up, adjust the icon size and the icon gap spacing. Make sure to do this for the desktop view first and then toggle over to do it for the mobile view. If you want to visually separate this list from the rest of the content, just enable the option to show the divider below the features list and start customizing it. Now we will format the space and the divider. Start by selecting the space block directly from the sidebar. First, you will customize the space block to ensure there are proper gaps between elements for both your desktop and mobile views. Next, select the divider block and customize its visual line separation however you like. We're getting closer to the end, so it's time to update the main heading and description. Click on the heading block to get started. Type in your primary product's title and use the handy slider tool to change the size. After that, update the description text box right below it to include your main marketing hook. Next, we have to design an engaging call to action button. Change your first button label to something actionable, choose your preferred button style, and don't forget to adjust the corner radius. You should then select a button animation from the drop-down menu. Choosing an effect like a head shake is a really great way to catch the shopper's eye. To apply your custom color to this section, scroll all the way down to the color blocks. Check the text color to make absolutely sure it's legible, and then start to customize the button color so it perfectly matches your brand identity. And there we have it. That was a quick tutorial on how you can add and customize the hero image just like these examples that you see. It's really quick to do and it's already mobile optimized. If you have any questions about this, please drop a comment or reach out. Follow my channel and the app as we release more sections like this in every week. Thanks for watching.